Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add close friends on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and you go to the three lines at the upper right corner. And in the list, tap to the first option, the setting and privacy. Scroll down and in the who can see your content section you can find the second option, the close friends, and here if you have followers you can select peoples to add to your close friends, and if you finish just click to the done button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.